How to fix screen limit on Netflix. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually fix the screen limit error on Netflix. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, screen limit error generally happens when your plan doesn't support the number of people who are watching at the same time. So let's say you have the basic standard plan over here and which supports only up to 4 or 5 people watching at the same time, and if you're the 6th or 7th person who are trying to watch the Netflix application or trying to browse at the same time, you will see that screen limit error. So Netflix has a limitation as to how many accounts can watch at the same time. So in that case, you can go ahead and upgrade your plan to the Premium Ultra HD in order to get more number of screen time as well, and in order to get more accounts which can watch Netflix at the same time. However, if that is not the case for you and you still want to watch Netflix despite all of the screen limit errors, well, it's very simple. In that case, let's say I open up a certain movie over here, just like that. I'll just go ahead and select a certain movie or a show, and let's say I want to watch this, but basically due to screen limit errors I'm not being able to do so. Well, in that case, you can just go ahead and then download this particular episode or the video that you want to download and watch later. So after you download it, I'll just show you how you can actually go ahead and watch them as well. After you've downloaded the Netflix application or that particular show but not being able to watch it, so what we will do is we will close Netflix again. So once we close the Netflix application, this time what we will do is, you can see our show has been downloaded. So I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi over here. Once I turn off my Wi-Fi, Netflix is not going to connect to the server and it will not know how many people are watching at the same time. So I will go ahead and open up Netflix and I will go to downloads, and as you can see, I will just go ahead and watch that episode as well. And this is simply it. This is how you can fix the net screen limit error on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.